Hey, what's up everybody? It's your man GS002 coming back at you with another video. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing and the quick review of the Bandai VF-25 Messiah Valkyrie Worldwide Anniversary Edition. This figure was released after the patent issues between I guess, Macross franchise and the Robotech franchises were kind of, when all that stuff was resolved, this figure was announced, I believe it was maybe a year ago or something. Anyway, so I got this, I did have it, I had it on pre-order from Big Bad Toy Store, and I don't know if you guys have dealt with them, but they take a really long time, and so it was like 240 US dollars. And so one of these were sold out at Ami, but then one just happened to pop up at Ami, and it was around 195 US dollars after the DHL shipping, so I definitely jumped on that. Anyway, so in this video we're going to be doing the unboxing, and I'm just going to do a quick review of it. Total review. It's not going to be 4 parts. Everything's going to be in one review, so I'll be pausing the video throughout. And again, guys, I'm really sorry for not making videos in a while. I'm in graduate school right now. I'm doing systems engineering for those that care, and I work full time, so it's really hard for me to have any free time. But I'm gonna squeeze this one out for you guys. I've actually got a lot of other figures that I need to review, and then a series that I need to finish. Anyway, let me stop yammering. I'm going to open up the box. I haven't seen the inside yet. I'll pause the video and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so before we go into the box, I just wanted to give you guys just a look around the box. So here's the back. We looked at that other side already. We got a nice shot of the Valk here. I love VF-25s. They are really nice. And then we've already seen that. And then, yes, so there it is in gear walk mode. All right, let me go ahead and open the box contents, and I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, so we're back with the box contents. So there are a couple of trays here. We got our fixed pose hands. We got our pilot figure. We got a knife. We got our rifle. We have the Valkyrie here. We have a nice booklet for instructions. And then we have the stand and the various adapters for the various modes. All right, let me go ahead and get the Valkyrie out, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so here we are with the figure. It is very nice. The rear landing gear comes out. It has a nice snap when it comes out to the final position. We've got the articulated tow bar. You can see the blue tint there for the canopy. Now, I'm going to compare this to a YF-25 Prophecy. This figure is very old. One thing I noticed when handling this figure, I don't have a scale here, but it doesn't feel as substantial as the older VF-25. So I think they went with less die cast. It looks like the feet are die cast, but there's something else, like the feet are die cast, but there's something else in this construction that makes it not quite feel as hefty as the older figure. I don't know, it's just something that you have to just feel in the hand. Anyway, let me go ahead and transform this to gear walk mode, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so we're back. So I got both of the guys in gear walk mode. Yeah, definitely the material choices on the new one, you can see that the paint is not shiny at all, whereas on the older YF-25 Prophecy, it's got nice shiny paint. I did go into the linings of the panel linings with the Gundam marker. That is what it is. I did that a long time ago. It's kind of stupid, but whatever. But yeah, so the paint is very dull. It doesn't feel as heavy as the older guy, but it looks like we do have all the same features. So there's I'll go around to the back here. There's a bar that swings out that holds the back end up. in gear walk mode, and that bar does have a clasp for the rifle, and of course the old guy has it. But yeah, just in general, like the construction on the older one, it feels more hefty. I mean, I do like the worldwide anniversary edition. I'm not, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying to not get it. And yeah, this is the Valkyrie that looks the best in gear walk mode. Anyway, let me transform them both to Batroid, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so we're back. So we got this guy transformed. That took a minute. But as you can see, it looks really, really good. Like I said, it's got the matte finish. It has all the typical articulation from the previous 1/60th scale VF-25s. But, I mean, this guy looks good. So these are, the ankles are black, and yes, they are. That's metal. It's just painted black. I think that looks really, really good. Just kind of close-up detail here so you guys can see what's going on. All the transformation gimmicks are the same. Like I said, I'm a little disappointed as far as like chunkiness. There's something in the construction that it's not as heavy as the older ones. So here we have the Percival, and actually got my third guy out right here. So this is the VF-25 with the super parts. So we'll kind of zoom out and let all three goes. Let you see all three of those guys. I really love the VF-25. It looks really, really good. But this review is about the Worldwide Edition VF-25. So yeah, final thoughts. I would say the construction is not as good as the older ones. But these toys are really, really old. So the new Valkyrie is welcome. I would say if you can get it, you know, go ahead and get it. These things only appreciate in value, even in today's, you know, pre-World War III, post-COVID market. These toys will appreciate in value. So that's my final thoughts, guys. Anyway, leave a comment if you want to chime in. And I'm sorry for being on such a long hiatus. Again, graduate school. But anyway, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.